Picture this. You've just landed after a long flight, ready to start your vacation. You wait at baggage claim and wait. Your bag never comes. The airline shrugs and offers you a voucher. But what if I told you that you could flip the script and outsmart them at their own game? I'm your system hacker at FamVista, and today I'm revealing the 10 insider hacks that ensure this nightmare scenario never happens to you. Welcome to FamVista, where we crack the code on airport systems so you can travel like a pro. Every single day, airlines lose over 25,000 pieces of luggage worldwide. But here's the secret they don't want you to know. Almost every single loss is preventable when you understand how to work the system. In this video, I'm counting down 10 proven luggage hacks that airlines absolutely hate because they put the power back in your hands. Even veteran travelers miss most of these, and hack number 1 alone could save your entire trip from disaster. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the insider knowledge to protect your belongings like a pro. Hack number 10, the backup ID trick. Here's the amateur mistake costing travelers thousands, relying solely on those flimsy paper luggage tags airlines provide. Your bag goes through a gauntlet of conveyor belts, loading machines, and baggage handlers. Those external tags are held by nothing more than a thin plastic loop. One rough transfer, and suddenly your suitcase becomes completely anonymous in a system processing millions of bags. The airline can't identify it, and you can't prove it's yours. Here's the system hack. Always create a backup identity inside your luggage. Place a detailed identification card in a sealed plastic sleeve inside your suitcase. Include your full name, email, phone number with country code, and destination address. The pro move most travelers miss: include your return address too. If your bag gets completely lost, this gives airline staff 2 ways to reunite you with your belongings. Takes 30 seconds to set up, but acts as your luggage's insurance policy. When that external tag disappears, this hidden backup gives you leverage to prove ownership and get your bag back fast. Hack number 9, go hard or go home. Ever notice baggage handlers use hard-shell luggage themselves? They know the baggage system is a battlefield requiring proper armor to survive. Your soft-sided luggage might be lighter, but for airport baggage handling reality, it's like bringing a pillow to a knife fight. Your bag will be thrown, crushed, stacked under heavy items, and left in pouring rain or scorching heat. Soft bags offer zero protection. They're easily sliced with a pocket knife, torn by conveyor edges, or crushed by other luggage. You're trusting your valuables to fabric and a zipper. Hard-shell polycarbonate luggage changes everything. It protects belongings from rough handling and provides your first defense against theft. While soft bags are breached in seconds, quality hard shells require serious tools and time. The system hack? Look for hard shell luggage with built-in TSA locks and water-resistant zippers. Latest models are surprisingly lightweight with fortress-level protection. Costs more upfront, but you won't shop for replacement clothes and electronics on vacation. Hack number 8, the 80% survival rule. If you sit on your suitcase to zip it shut, this hack will save you from disaster. Overpacked bags are ticking time bombs waiting to explode. When zippers are stretched to their limit, one drop bursts them open completely. Imagine your belongings scattered across the baggage area. Embarrassing and expensive. Even worse, TSA inspections. Security can't repack overstuffed bags properly. Result: damaged items, broken zippers, and belongings that never make it back inside. The system hack? Never fill your suitcase beyond 80% capacity. Gives belongings room to shift during rough handling, leaves space for souvenirs, and makes your bag less likely to be flagged for inspection. Professional travelers swear by this rule. Prevents disasters before they happen. Your bag arrives intact, belongings stay private, and you avoid shopping for replacements on vacation budget. Hack number 7. Become your bag's bodyguard. Imagine this. Your luggage doesn't appear on the carousel, but instead of panicking, you pull out your phone and see exactly where your bag is located. That's smart luggage tracking technology. In 2024, luggage tracking made a quantum leap. Beyond AirTags, there are trackers designed for travel with extended battery life, global coverage, and enhanced privacy. The strategic advantage most travelers miss? When luggage goes missing, you're not just another passenger filing reports. You become the person telling the airlines exactly where their system failed and where your property is. This flips the power dynamic completely. The system hack? Place your tracker in a dedicated interior pocket, not tossed with clothes, where it's easily found and removed. Some travelers sew small pockets into luggage lining for permanent tracker storage. Pro tip: many premium credit cards offer reimbursement for luggage tracking devices. Check existing cards, you might have coverage you didn't know about. When you provide real-time location data, you transform from a complaining passenger into a valuable partner recovering their property. Changes everything about how they handle your case. Hack number 6. The TSA lock lie. Most travelers think TSA-approved locks are ultimate security. Here's the truth: they're not nearly as secure as people believe, and thieves know exactly how to defeat them. TSA locks use master keys that thousands of airport employees have access to. Worse, those codes leaked online. Anyone can 3D print working keys. You're using a lock that virtually anyone can open. The real kicker? TSA locks only secure zippers. They don't prevent the most common theft, cutting or tearing the bag itself. The system hack? Upgrade to high-quality cable locks wrapping around your entire bag, making it harder to open without obvious damage. Look for anti-theft zippers with interlocking teeth, resisting the pen-and-force technique thieves use. The goal isn't making your bag impenetrable, it's making it harder to breach than the bag next to yours. Thieves want easy targets, not complicated challenges. When your bag requires extra time and effort, they move to easier prey. Hack number 5. The zip tie fortress. Here's a shocking vulnerability. Locked suitcases breach in under 10 seconds using just a ballpoint pen. No special tools needed. Force the pen between zipper teeth, create an opening, access contents, then slide the zipper pulls back over the breach. Your lock stays intact with no tampering signs. This technique is known to baggage thieves worldwide and works on virtually every standard zipper. You could have the most expensive TSA lock, won't matter if someone knows the pen trick. The system hack? Bright-colored zip ties through zipper pulls alongside your lock. Creates tamper-evident seals that can't bypass the pen technique. Someone tries breaching zippers, they break zip ties, giving you immediate visual proof someone accessed your bag. Choose colors contrasting your luggage: bright orange, neon green, electric blue. They're a security feature and make your bag instantly recognizable on carousels, reducing accidental grabs. Pack extra zip ties for return journeys and carry nail clippers and carry-on to remove when needed. This security system costs pennies but provides priceless peace of mind. When someone tries breaching your zippers, those zip ties tell you exactly what happened. Hack number 4. Build your bag's resume. When luggage goes missing, airline staff ask you to describe it. Saying "black suitcase with wheels" is like describing your car as metal with doors. You need documented proof of what you're seeking and what was inside. Most travelers take one quick photo and call it done. Amateur hour. Professional travelers create comprehensive digital documentation serving as identification tool and insurance evidence. The system hack? Photograph all 6 sides of your suitcase before every trip. Capture distinctive markings, scratches, stickers, wear patterns. Create close-ups of brand labels, model numbers, and serial numbers if visible. Include detailed shots of interior organization and layout. The next-level approach separating pros from amateurs? Photograph packed items organized by category. Clothes, electronics, toiletries, documents. Serves 2 purposes: proof of contents for insurance claims and detailed evidence helping airline staff identify your bag if tags go missing. Store images in cloud services accessible from any device, not just your phone, which could be lost or damaged. Add timestamps and trip details, creating permanent records. This digital dossier takes 5 minutes, but can save thousands in lost items and weeks of insurance headaches. When you show airline staff exactly what they're seeking, recovery time drops dramatically. Hack number 3, the paper trail that pays. In our digital world, that paper baggage claim stub seems like an outdated formality. Treating it casually costs thousands of dollars and weeks of frustration. Without your claim check, you have virtually no leverage when luggage disappears. It's not just a receipt, it's the only official link between you and your belongings in airline systems. The system hack? The moment you receive your claim check, photograph it clearly. Immediately email that photo to yourself with the subject line including baggage claim, destination, and travel date. Creates a searchable digital backup even if your phone dies. For international travel, scan the claim check into PDF format and save to cloud storage.
Some airline tracking systems work better when you input exact claim number formats, including tiny print details easily misread. Keep original claim checks secure but accessible, not buried in carry-ons where you forget, not loose in pockets where they fall out. Passport holders or dedicated travel document organizers work perfectly. Hack number 2, skip the airline's cheap insurance. Here's the devastating truth most travelers discover too late. Airlines have strict liability limits, rarely covering the actual value of belongings. Domestic flights cap compensation at around $3,500 total, regardless of bag contents. International limits can be lower, sometimes $20 per kilogram. Designer wardrobe for business trips, professional camera equipment for photography vacations, not covered beyond those pathetic caps. Airlines know this, making them casual about losing luggage. Their financial risk is minimal. Smart travelers know how to flip this system. Specialized baggage insurance covering actual replacement value, not arbitrary airline limits. The system hack? Look beyond basic travel insurance with significant exclusions for electronics, jewelry, and professional equipment. Dedicated baggage coverage protects the real value of belongings and provides immediate emergency funds for replacement purchases. The insider secret many travelers miss? Some premium credit cards automatically include superior baggage protection when you book flights with their card. These policies often include up to $5,000 per person, with fewer exclusions than airline policies. Check existing credit cards before purchasing separate insurance. Chase Sapphire Reserve, American Express Platinum, and others include baggage coverage that's actually useful, not marketing fluff. Key timing? Most policies must be purchased at least 24 hours before departure, and credit card benefits only apply using that card for the entire airfare purchase. Hack number 1, hack their own system. This ultimate system hack separates travel amateurs from genuine pros. Most major airlines use sophisticated RFID baggage tracking to monitor luggage at every journey stage. The shocking part? Fewer than 20% of passengers use this free technology at their fingertips. Every time your bag passes scanning points, from initial check-in to aircraft loading, connecting flights to final arrival, exact location records in airline systems. You have access to the same data through mobile apps, but most travelers don't know it exists. The system hack? Download your airline's official mobile app before travel day. After checking in, locate Track My Bags or Baggage Status feature, usually under trip details or services. Enter confirmation number or scan boarding pass, linking luggage to real-time tracking. Enable push notifications for baggage status updates. Gives you live alerts about luggage location throughout entire journeys, often before airline staff know problems exist. The strategic advantage changing everything. If your bag misses connections or gets misdirected, you'll know immediately, sometimes before landing. Instead of waiting hopefully at empty carousels, go straight to baggage service offices with specific tracking information and file reports, while other passengers are still figuring out their bags are missing. In many cases, initiate missing baggage reports through apps while still on planes, putting you hours ahead in recovery queues. This single strategy has saved countless vacations and business trips, yet most travelers never discover it exists. So there you have it, 10 insider hacks that completely flip the script on airline baggage systems. From creating backup identification to harnessing their own tracking technology, you now have the tools to protect your luggage like a true system hacker. Which of these hacks surprised you the most? Have you ever had a luggage disaster that could have been prevented with these strategies? Drop your story in the comments. Your experience might save another traveler's trip. If you found these insider secrets valuable, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more travel hacks every week. We're building a community of smart travelers who refuse to let airlines take advantage of them. And speaking of insider knowledge, don't miss our recent video, 12 Airport Secrets Airlines Hope You Never Discover. It reveals even more ways the system works against travelers and how to beat it. You'll find it linked in the description and as the next suggested video. Thanks for watching FamVista, where we crack the code on travel systems. Until next time, travel smart and stay one step ahead.